Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Grade 9th. Hope you will be fine, beta. As we were doing figures of speech, and I hope that you have understood what are the figures of speech and what is the definition of this and what are the main characteristics of this. So today we are going to end this topic. And what is topic today? Are you watching the picture? Do you know what is about? Yes. These are 5 senses that a human being have. Okay, listening, touching, smelling, watching or seeing, and tasting. These 5 senses help a human being to live, and this is blessing of Allah. Okay, when we smell, what sense we use from these? Yes, definitely nose. Secondly, if I say you something, how can you hear that? Okay, from ear. Very good. If you are watching this video, what sense of you is using for this? Definitely eyes, and you are hearing my voice, so ear is also working, and you are holding your mobile, so hand is also working, and yes. So students, come to the book activity page number 54. Imagery is the construction of detail used to create mental images, okay, in the mind of the reader through the visual sense as well as the senses of touch, smell, taste or sound. Examples of imagery: visual, auditory, smell, taste, touch. Huge trees in the thick and dark forest. Yes, so you can see though it is a part of visual. Auditory is the rustling of leaves. Smell is the scent of apples, and taste sweet and juicy oranges. Touch rugged and rough path. So you can feel, you can see, you can taste, smell, listen by your 5 senses. So this concept is called imagery. Okay. Okay students, imagery is it was dark and dim in forest. As you are watching that it was dark and dim in forest. कैसे पता चलेगा कि dark and dim था forest में? Yes, this belongs to our sighting. हमारे विजुअलाइज किया, देखा, हमारा कौन सा सेंस हुआ? आइज यूज़ हुआ. ओके, यानी वॉचिंग का, सीइंग का सेंस यूज़ हुआ हमारा इसमें. ओके, द चाइल्ड वॉज क्राइंग इन फील्ड्स. बच्चा खेतों में कहीं रो रहा था. तो इसमें हमारा कौन सा सेंस यूज़ हुआ? हमें कैसे पता चला कि बच्चा रो रहा है फील्ड्स में? हमने हेयरिंग की, सेंस ऑफ हेयरिंग यूज़ हुआ, कान यूज़ हुआ, एयर यूज़ हुआ. So imagery is only depend on the 5 senses of a human being. 5 things are used in imagery, and usually poet use this imagery, and this is a simple and easy task to understand. As you are watching that this line, when all at once I saw a crowd. इसमें कौन सा सेंस यूज हुआ है? Yes, sighting. Okay. A host of golden daffodils. So this is also sighting, and this is simple thing. You can understand it very easily. Okay. Beside the lake beneath the trees. ये भी क्लियर है मंजर, ठीक है. तो इस मंजर में जो क्लियर है और जो सेंसेस यूज हो रहे हैं वो हमें समझ आ रहा है. तो दिस इज इमेजरी, and this is a figure of speech, and these words attract a reader, and poet also wants this that the reader will not blink the eye during reading this poem. Okay, so next task is for you for homework, that in other stanzas you will find out the imagery, and you will write in the neat notebook and send it to me as a home task. Inshallah I will check it. Allah Hafiz.